In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Samsung tablet charging port. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option of swapping out the charging port on any Samsung tablet model. So first, before I start talking about the general process of doing this, it is highly recommended to seek professional repair services if you are not experienced in electronics repair. For this video, sadly, I cannot give you super detailed instructions, so I'm gonna be giving you the general steps, but like I said as a disclaimer, attempting this repair yourself may void your warranty and could potentially damage your device if it is not done correctly. So if you are uncomfortable moving forward, I would highly recommend just taking it to a repair shop. So first of all, power off the device. Once it is powered off, gather the necessary tools and remove the back cover. You can usually use some sort of tool, shove it in between here, and then you will be able to pop the cover off. Once the cover is off, you will have to disconnect the batteries and undo a lot of screws. Usually there will be ribbon cables attached to the PCB, and you just have to remove them as needed. To access the charging port, it is usually going to be at the back of the tablet. This is going to differ for every single model, and oftentimes it can be covered up by these metal plates. So you have to remove the screws, and after you are done removing screws, you will now be able to access the actual charging port. Of course, you have to purchase a replacement. You can find these on places like AliExpress and Amazon. Purchase the USB charging port replacement for your specific Galaxy tablet model. So in this example, the Galaxy Tab A8. Once you have the replacement, you just have to disconnect the old one. So pull apart on this ribbon cable, you connect the new one, you put it into place, and you shouldn't need too much solder. Afterwards, screw it back into place as needed if you see any holes for screws. And once it is properly positioned and attached to the board, you just have to close everything back up. Like I said, I apologize for not being able to give you specific detailed instructions, but for a video of this length, it is impossible for me to go over the full process without just presenting it in general steps. If you aren't comfortable doing this, I would highly recommend seeking a professional repair shop. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Samsung tablet charging port. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.